Our aprons are made of 100% spun polyester fiber with a nice weight of 215 grams per meter squared. They look and feel just like real cotton. These aprons are very durable and are industrial quality. They are bleach resistant, fade resistant, and absorbent. The aprons feature precision stitching and lengthy sewn-on ties for your comfort. The child size is good for kids 8 to 12 years old, as well as adults who do not want a full-length apron. These child-size aprons feature an adjustable strap. The aprons are good for heat transfer vinyl and painting, making them an excellent idea for school or camp arts and crafts. The white aprons are good for sublimation. Recommended sublimation settings are 60 to 65 seconds at 200 to 205 degrees Celsius or 390 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for vivid and crisp colors that will last through many washings. For heat transfer vinyl, reduce the temperature and the press time to avoid ruining the transfer. These aprons are machine washable.